Ever wondered what scares people most about buying a turntable? It's the setup. But what if there was a turntable so easy to set up, even folks with, let's say, less than nimble fingers could do it? Hi, I'm Ray Miller from Audio Advisor. Today we're exploring the Pro-Ject E1 series from Vienna, Austria. We've delivered hundreds of these, and everyone's amazed at how quickly they're spinning vinyl. The E1 comes in 3 sweet flavors: a standard version, one with a built-in phono preamp, and an advanced Bluetooth edition for wireless streaming. Let's dive in and see what makes these turntables special. Starting with the standard E1, it's a plug-and-play dream. Pro-Ject's experienced technicians pre-adjust the tracking force and anti-skating, so you're ready to go right out of the box. The E1 boasts a CNC-machined composite fiber plinth, available in high-gloss black, white, or walnut. It's solid, stylish, and built to last. For best sound, the E1 is a belt-drive turntable design where the belt isolates the platter from motor and room vibrations. The ABS polymer platter is engineered with purpose-designed ridges to maximize rigidity and is topped with a felt mat to create an ideal, anti-resonant platform for your vinyl. Pro-Ject is known for their well-designed tone arms, and the E1 features a 8.6-inch aluminum arm with low-friction bearings that works well with a wide range of phono cartridges. Pre-installed and precisely aligned at the factory is the highly regarded Audio-Technica AT-3600-L moving magnet phono cartridge. This cartridge replaces an ortophon cartridge featured on earlier versions of the E1. The AT-3600-L cartridge has a rugged bonded conical stylus, which works great with both new and used LPs and mates beautifully with the E1's aluminum tone arm. This tech talk may be dizzying for some of you. Sonic performance is where the rubber meets the road, if you get my drift. How does the E1 perform? Thomas Moon in Soundstage Access loves it, saying, "It's incredibly easy to set up. It plays records just fine, and it's priced right." Then he closes by saying, "It is worth every penny of its list price and will serve the casual listener well for many years." Now, let's talk about the E1 phono. It's identical to the standard version, but includes a built-in phono preamp. This is perfect if your amplifier or stereo system doesn't have a phono input. With the E1 phono, you can connect directly to any line-level input on your amp or powered speakers and begin enjoying your records. Yes, it's really that simple. Finally, let's talk about what may be the star of our show, the E1 BT. The BT stands for Bluetooth, but the E1's Bluetooth circuit is anything but ordinary. Imagine streaming your vinyl to Bluetooth speakers or headphones anywhere in your home. It's like having a wireless record player. Come to think of it, it's exactly like a wireless record player. The Pro-Ject E1's Qualcomm Bluetooth circuit is state-of-the-art, supporting aptX, aptX HD, and aptX Adaptive. What do those all mean? They mean you can connect to any Bluetooth device wirelessly within range, including those with old Bluetooth and those with the latest protocols. All E1 models come with a dust cover, felt mat, and high-quality phono cables. An electronic speed control is on the left side. All E1s are handmade in Europe, ensuring top-notch quality control. At Audio Advisor, our team is always ready to help with any questions about setup or operation. We've assisted thousands of music lovers, just like you, get the most from their audio systems. Whether you're new to vinyl or returning to the format, we have an E1 that's right for you. Visit audioadvisor.com or call 1-800-942-0220 to learn more. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more audio insights. This is Ray Miller. Keep those LPs spinning.